हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम सब पढ़ेंगे स्पीच ऑन वर्ल्ड नेचर कंजर्वेशन डे। रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल, टीचर्स एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन। टुडे we are gathered here to celebrate World Nature Conservation Day, which is observed every year on 28th July. This day reminds us of the importance of protecting and preserving nature for a healthy and sustainable future. Nature gives us everything: clean air to breathe, fresh water to drink, food to eat, and a safe place to live. Trees, rivers, mountains, animals, birds, and even the tiniest insects are all part of nature. Without nature, life on earth would not be possible. But sadly, due to human activities like deforestation, pollution, plastic use, and overconsumption, our environment is in danger. Climate change, rising temperatures, floods, droughts, and extinction of species are signs that we are hurting nature. So, what can we do to save nature? Plant more trees and stop cutting forest. Save water and electricity. Reduce the use of plastic. Protect animals and their habitats. Keep our surroundings clean and green. Use eco-friendly products and recycle waste. Dear friends, nature is our greatest treasure. It is our duty to live in harmony with it. On this World Nature Conservation Day, let us take a pledge to protect and preserve nature, not just for ourselves, but for future generation. Let's remember, if we take care of nature, nature will take care of us. Thank you and जय हिंद। तो ये है स्पीच ऑन वर्ल्ड नेचर कंजर्वेशन डे इन इंग्लिश। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना। अब मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।